Hello and welcome to Zoe's Fitness Studio. Today's workout is a 15-minute core strength and stability session designed to strengthen your upper abs, lower abs, obliques, and core. First, we will start with the warm-up. Let's get started in 15 seconds. Up next, cross touch and reach. 3, 2, 1. Let's do cross touch and reach. With hands extended and legs wide apart, bend forward and touch your left foot with right hand and return to your starting position. Exhale as you bend forward and inhale while you return to start position. Three, 2, 1. Take a rest, 15 seconds. Up next, arm circles. 3, 2, 1. Let's do arm circles. Rotate your arms slowly. This exercise is a dynamic stretch that warms up your shoulders, chest, and back. Now, reverse the movement by rotating your arms backward. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest, 15 seconds. Up next, cat-cow pose. 3, 2, 1. Let's do cat-cow pose. Inhale deeply while curving your lower back and bringing your head up, tilting your pelvis up like a cow. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest, 15 seconds.
Up next, reach up and down.
3, 2, 1.
Let's do reach up and down. Relax and just move your body with ease. This is the time to relax. Breathe in while you go up and breathe out while coming down.
Three, 2, 1. We are done with our warm-ups. Now, let's get ready for our main workout.
Up next, crunches.
3, 2, 1.
Let's do crunches. Lie down on a mat. Raise your upper body alone. You should feel your abdomen crunching.
Three, 2, 1. Take a rest, 15 seconds. Up next, heel touch. 3, 2, 1. Let's do heel touch. Lie down on your back with knees bent. Touch the heels with hands alternately. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest, 15 seconds. Up next, dead bug. 3, 2, 1. Let's do dead bug. Lie down on your back with hands facing the ceiling and knees bent at 90-degree angles. Extend your right hand above your head and straight up your left leg. Hold on and return to start position. Three, 2, 1. Take a rest, 15 seconds. Up next, toe taps. 3, 2, 1. Let's do toe taps. Lie down on your back with knees bent at 90 degrees. Touch the floor using your toes on alternate legs. Do it controlled and steady. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest, 15 seconds. Up next, bicycle crunches. 3, 2, 1. Let's do bicycle crunches. This is a dynamic core exercise that engages your rectus abdominis and obliques with a pedaling motion. Keep the movement slow and controlled. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest, 15 seconds.
Up next, plank.
3, 2, 1.
Let's do plank. Get down to plank position. Tighten your core. Do not bend your body. Do this on a mat.
You are almost there. Let's push a little more. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest, 15 seconds. Up next, bent leg twist. 3, 2, 1. Let's do bent leg twist. Lie flat on your back with your arms extended to your sides. Bend your knees at 90-degree angles. Slowly lower both knees together to one side, twisting your lower body. Three, 2, 1. Excellent! That is end of round 1. Have a sip of water, loosen up yourself. Let's get started with round 2. Up next, reverse crunches. 3, 2, 1. Let's do reverse crunches. Lie down on back with knees at 90 degrees and your palms next to ears. Exhale and crunch your abdomen by bringing the knee towards the chest. Keep it clean and controlled. Three, 2, 1. Take a rest, 15 seconds.
Up next, Russian twist.
3, 2, 1.
Let's do Russian twist. Bend your knees and hold your upper body halfway raised from the floor. Turn your upper body left and right. This upper body workout helps you get rid of love handles.
Three, two, one. Take a rest, 15 seconds.
Up next, knee reach crunch.
3, 2, 1.
Let's do knee reach crunch. Bend your knees and bend your upper body and reach the knees with hands. Tighten your core. This is a variation of the ab crunch workout.
Three, two, one. Take a rest, 15 seconds. Up next, flutter kicks. 3, 2, 1. Let's do flutter kicks. Lie down on your back and lift both legs at a 45-degree angle and kick your legs alternately. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest, 15 seconds.
Up next, leg raises.
3, 2, 1.
Let's do leg raises. Lie down flat on a mat and raise your legs to 90 degrees. Tighten your core. Bring your legs down slowly. This workout helps you reduce your fat from lower abdomen.
3, 2, 1. Take a rest, 15 seconds.
Up next, V-up.
3, 2, 1.
Let's do V-up. Hold your upper and lower body in air. Have hands trying to reach toes. Hold on. Breathe regularly.
Three, 2, 1. Take a rest, 15 seconds.
Up next, shoulder taps.
3, 2, 1.
Let's do shoulder taps. Get down to push-up position. Touch your shoulders alternatively using the opposite hands. Touch your shoulder and hold for a second and proceed to the next shoulder.
Three, 2, 1. Excellent! We have completed the main workout. It's very important to cool down after your every workout session.
Up next, knees to chest, left side.
3, 2, 1.
Let's do knees to chest, left side. Lie down on a mat and bring your left knee to chest and hold your knees with your arms.
Three, 2, 1. Take a rest, 15 seconds.
Up next, knees to chest, right side.
3, 2, 1.
Let's do knees to chest right side. Lie down on a mat and bring your right knee to chest and hold your knees with your arms.
Three, 2, 1. Take a rest, 15 seconds.
Up next, child's pose.
3, 2, 1.
Let's do child's pose. This is an excellent pose to cool down and stretch. Sit down on your knees and bend forward, stretching the upper body. Hold on. You should feel the stretching on hands, shoulders, chest, until waist.
Three, 2, 1.
And that is the end of the workout. Great job! We will be halfway through by tomorrow, so promise yourself that you will come back tomorrow for day 4. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that now so you're ready for tomorrow. I'll see you back here for day 4.